And there go the robots. You know, a little bit of a tape delay there. 10 seconds. FCC regulations, folks. That's how it works. Autonomous mode. Red Alliance with 5 already up there. Remaining in the match. A couple more shots flying for Team Dave. We got a cargo up there on the hub release. Someone might need to jump kick that down later. We'll see how that goes. 50-32 is back alive. That's a good sign for the Red Alliance because the Falcons are a high-scoring machine.
It's a rapid react.
We're coming down to it. I want to get a closer look over here at the blue hangar. Some action will be happening over there. Team Dave scores 1-2. Bang, bang. Take a look at this Falcon machine. Watch the shadows. Watch the shots. Falcons 1. Falcons, oh, missing 2. And go. All right, robots in autonomous mode. Blue with 2 cargo quickly up there. And 2 more, maybe. Just need 1 more for the quintet. Can they get that last shot? Celtics takes it. Celtics nails it. And a bonus to boot. Cap Alpaca running around the field, grabbing cargo like Cap Alpaca can do. Great delivery to the human player by Cap Alpaca. Oh, that's a big piece of contact. Inverse Paradox on Celtex. Couple more shots for the Falcons. All right, a little bit of defense being played by Inverse Paradox on Celtex. Good luck with that one, folks. The Celtex machine is so adept around the field. Will not be doing today. All right, Celtics going up as if they have an Infinity Stone. Celtics is up for the traverse. Falcons are up. Go.
As the autonomous action takes off, slight correction in our team introductions. Blue Station 3, we'll be seeing Team 50-32, the Falcons. These cargo shots. Looks like one of the teams has lost a roller on the field. We'll have to see if that impacts their ability to deposit any cargo. 2 shots from Falcons. They get 1 to fall. 20-16. It's a tightly contested match with 15 seconds remaining. Enough time to pull off that miracle victory from behind. Falcons with 2 shots that go in.
Go!
Match number 9 is underway. 2 great shots from 772. Red Alliance Team Dave putting 2 up of their own. 3 more blue cargo in that upper hub. Blue Alliance 1 cargo away from the quintet. Another shot from Celtex. Lots of red cargo flying around now. Blue Alliance 50-32. The Falcons, they take a shot. That goes in. That'll help the Red Alliance a lot, but they have achieved the 20 ball ranking point. They had to score 2 more cargo to get there, but they did. Red Alliance playing from behind, it seems, this entire match. 50-32, the Falcons, they take 2 more cargo, put it into the upper hub.
Go!
Pay close attention to that upper hub. Lots of cargo flying up there. 3 already scored. Human player shot misses. 2 more coming in. Red and blue neck and neck go in the upper hub instead. 5406 Celtex now. They're getting defended by 6875 while they both acquire some cargo of their respective alliance color. The Falcons put up a couple shots for blue. Those are good. 9 cargo in the upper hub for blue, but 5 in the lower hub. That's giving them a slight advantage over the Red Alliance. 4 cargo, 2 red, 2 blue, all score in the upper hub at the same time. 40 seconds remaining in the match. Lots of action yet to come, especially we're going to see how the climbs in the hangar zone play out. Acquire some more cargo. They're going to take another shot. There it is. Oh, and that one rims out as it hits a blue cargo on the way in. Blue Alliance needs 1 more cargo for the ranking point. Is anyone going to put a ball in as time expires in match 13?
1, go!
Instant action here. Robots launching cargo right away. Pre-programmed instructions. Drivers having no control. Red Alliance, we've got 87-89. The Lost Sprockets trying to do some work. Meanwhile, Team Dawn trying to play some defense. FTA is keeping on their thunder stamps now. They've got cargo in their possession. They can do some scoring on their own. Big shot from Falcons. It actually gets defended by 4907, but Falcons had another cargo in their possession. They put it up, and that one counts. On the Thunderstamps, high arcing shot, and that one's good. Blue Alliance now only needs 3 cargo, and there they are. Blue Alliance has achieved the ranking point bonus, but they're not going to stop scoring yet. With a minute left in the match, I'm sure they want to see how many across the rim it bounces out, but Red Alliance still trying to catch up. 31-74, unofficially your score. Where Blue Alliance has now put 31 cargo into that upper hub. Incredible scoring from all three blue robots. It is now climbing time. Cybercats are lining up. Thunderstamps are lining up, and there they go! Jump, and they're on!
2-1, go!
Blue Alliance robots, instant shots there in the low hub. All three robots. One does fall short, two score. Red Alliance, lots of shooting. Lucky, that upper hub is just bouncing balls all over the place. Those red cargo bounce out, but their Alliance partners do put some in. Here come Inverse Paradox and their partner Falcons. 50-32 deposit 2 red cargo. Cybercavs, here come 2 more. 13-25, now getting defended by 50-36. Referee waving some flags there as well. Red Alliance robot, that's the Falcons. 1 for 2. Underway now, match number 20. Inverse Paradox shooting on the move. Blue cargo flying all up into that upper hub. Shooters always shooting and they're always scoring. Here comes 50-32 Falcons. They know a little something about shooting and scoring too. 2 more cargo from them. Upper hub is relentless at playing defense. You gotta get the shots just right, the right amount of spin. Lots of shots there going into the only scored 4 cargo. They need to score another 16 for that ranking point. 2 shots from Inverse, 1 rims out, 1 bounces in. 50-32, wall shot. 1 up, 1 in, second one up, second one in. 61-62 Cap Alpaca doesn't quite get onto that low bar. Let's see if they can get assist.
And go!
Here we go, autonomous action, match number 23. Lots of cargo getting shot up into the upper hub. 50-32, like not either alliance. Blue Alliance did score 5, but the 5th cargo did not count until after the autonomous period had ended. Take a shot, that one bounces out off the rim. 49-03 doing some pinning on Celtex. They back away, ref clears the pin. 50-32 the Falcons, they put some cargo up for the Blue Alliance. 49-07 to fall, bounce off the wall instead. Blue Alliance has a lead right now, 40 points, Red Alliance 19. Long, high arcing shots here from your Blue Alliance, and they all land inside. One stays in. Blue Alliance has completed the cargo ranking point. Red Alliance, 54-06 Celtex, 11 seconds left. Arms are swinging. Robot unhooks, but grabs it again. What an incredible recovery from 50 points. Red Alliance with a near perfect autonomous there. 7 cargo in the upper hub. 34-18, a big lead for your Red Alliance at the start of the match. Blue Alliance trying to catch up here. 21-36 now. Lots of scoring from all the robots. Lots of defense being played as well. 49-03. They're pinning Team Dave. They back up. They've got a red cargo in their possession. Looks like they might be doing some counter ball strategy here, making sure the Red Alliance doesn't get access to all their cargo. Team Dave and Cybercats both taking shots and scoring for the red. Falcons getting 1 out of 2 once again. Blue Alliance needs a victory here to stay in it and force a 3rd match. Red Alliance loading up that upper hub with red cargo. Falcons being played. 46-17 was touching the launch pad. Referee raving some flags. Got to stay Cybercats right now. Unfortunately, the Blue Alliance needs some scoring, and right on cue, the Falcons come in with 2 shots of their own. Cybercats and Team Dave, 4 cargo in the upper hub for red. Falcons put 2 more in for blue. Cybercats with that consistent single-arm climber, just doing it match after match. They're up for traversal. 49-03 is up for traversal. Team Dave